Yo, what's good, my people? We'll be talking about how to use the inverted fair value gap to enter the market or to know the direction of the market, where it's going. This is on a higher time frame. We'll be focusing on this video on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, there are many gaps and fair value gaps available in the market. The market usually forms fair value gaps all daily, and these are very good tips to know where the market is going and how you can capitalize on your trades, know the direction, or if you are on the wrong side, you'll know how to kill the trade and go back on the right direction of the trade. Here we'll be focusing on the last week trading week, and let us see the high that formed on last week. This is on a Friday. Coming to Monday, you'll notice that there are a lot of fair value gaps down here, which formed, and you'll first have to know the correct fair value gaps that you'll be focusing on, so that you could be able to use this strategy to its perfection. So first, we will see the market structure, what the market did previously before this movement here. You will notice that the market took out this high, failed to take out this high here with some points, then started going down. How will you know that this is a change of direction of the market? First, you will notice that this order block was taken out. This is another strategy. You can use order blocks or this fair value gap present in the market. You'll notice first this order block was taken out. That is a nice sign that I usually use to know the market is going down. Second, you'll see this retracement here, which failed to take out this high here. This retracement here failed to take out this high. It's just filled this fair value gap to the upside, but failed to take out this high. It's a very nice indication that the market is willing to go down. And as you can see here, when I stretch this fair value gap here, this fair value gap was later used on this retracement here, and it initiated the price going down. It acted like support. The guys who usually trade support and resistance, you could know this strategy so that you can incorporate it on your trades. So here you could use this one here, but with this we'll be using these fair value gaps here, these green fair value gaps, which are the bullish fair value gaps. So we'll first want to see this fair value gap if it will be taken out here, the 1 minute time frame. You will notice that the fair value gap was taken out on this candle here, which was on 3 on the Tuesday. Immediately noticing this, you will, on your mind, you'll know correctly that the market is willing to go down, and the draw to liquidity will be on this low here. This is how I usually look at the market every day. I am going to take a trade, and the possibility of it reaching this fair value gap too is high during the week. So there are my 2 points of liquidity which I will be focusing on going to the week of trading after this low was taken out. When this low is taken out and an order block had formed, it's a very nice place to enter, but I am sure this was a new scandal which didn't give you any chance to come and retrace so that you can enter it well. But you can use this fair value gap here if you are trading on a swing trade using 1 hour candle. You can use this one here, since you'll notice the bodies respected the low side of this fair value gap, but the wicks went and took out this high. You could have taken a trade when this candle is forming. Put your stop loss on the midpoint of this fair value gap here, on the midpoint. Your stop loss on the midpoint of this fair value gap. So a nice sell trade. Stop loss on the midpoint of this fair value gap. Swing trades usually have large stop loss to allow the market to breathe and the liquidity to be taken out on the opposite side, and your take profit could be on the low of this candle, since when it reaches and closed below this fair value gap, it was evident that the market will also reach this low, swing low there. And with this, you could have taken a nice 1 to 6 trade, of which you could have risked 449 USDs to get in a profit of $2,767. So it's a nice swing trade, and your trade could be complete on Wednesday, on the 17th of January 2024. And with that, let us meet on the next video, where we'll be talking about trading this strategy, inverse fair value gap on the lower time frame, where you could use these as scalpers usually use these fair value gaps to get into the trades. With that, let us meet in the next video. Goodbye.